When are you losing the whole room? When are you losing them all? When are you playing a game of whack-a-mole? All right, ever have that game where you're like, you stop, you stop, you stop, and they keep popping up, all right, no matter what, they keep popping, and this one does this, and does this, and at that point, I'm not making any ground anyways, so I might as well stop the whole thing. Just stop the whole thing. That's where my go noodle comes out. That's where my everybody stop, stop, and that's where I put on my chicken head, or I do whatever I need to do to stop what's going on and restart. And I might even have a big restart button on the wall or something. But I'll just stop the madness. I'm losing my high school class. This happens a lot with high school kids because high school starts too early. And we know that. And if you got a first period high school class, they're all asleep anyway. And I'm trying to teach history, and they're like, and the drool's coming out of them. So I know that I'm losing them. So it's probably time to stop and plan B. Don't persist if you're losing them.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.